This is a story about an adventure in Iceland. Don't expect epic video transitions, fancy color grading, or drone footage. But the story has a message for, well, I guess for everyone who seeks a message about learning and growing in photography, filmmaking, or any other creative field. If that's you, please proceed to watch. This is me. And this is an elf I found in Iceland to whom I'm still stuck. Or she's stuck to me. I don't know. The story is from 2015. I thought I was a cool photographer and would get all those photos I see online. I didn't have a plan or skills to take those photos. I didn't know how to edit pictures to make them look like this or that. Epic, I mean. I was passionate, however, and had one of the world's best cameras at that time. That doesn't guarantee epicness, but compensates for mistakes if you are a beginner. Is epicness even a word? Well, I took photos on this trip. Each image was epic, awesome, cool, a banger. And I knew that each one would be the most liked shot on the gram. I made an epic video with a fantastic soundtrack without knowing I couldn't use copyrighted music. After the video got 2,000 quick views, it was banned from YouTube. Yep. I have not so lekker memories from when this moment came. Well, she and I have promised not to talk about it again, so we don't. I was too focused on getting the shot. Let's leave it to that. Tell us, where are you right now? 2015, we are in South Iceland. I did collect gorgeous memories too. We got to walk in the rain, took shelter under a volcanic rock, ate a delicious combo of fish and dried mango. We stood in the snow like fools when everyone rushed to their cars. We chased the aurora for 500 kilometers overnight, only to see clouds, but nothing else.
I am the Viking princess.
There were spiritual gems hidden in that chase for the perfect shot. This is 2018. I decided to go to Iceland again. This time, I wanted to go alone and do my own thing. What was the goal? Subscribers and views. You know, it was a hot thing then. It would be an adventure and the shots would just go viral. I knew it. I looked back at it. I had a good time, collected some lovely memories, took many photos and experienced chatting to strangers. But there was no me time. It was just a quest from one thing to another. I'm glad I went, without which I wouldn't have grown or learned lessons. I fell, and that's a story for another day, but I was stuck in a hospital high care ward for 1 month without moving. Shalom. Gorgeous. I like to go out with my friends. Life changed and I calmed down. After that, I continued to do photography and videography, but for passion. The love of people, the love of expressing myself, and the love of writing. The family and the moments came first. What was in front of the lens mattered more than the photo. I went to Namibia and I fell in love with the desert. I went to Pakistan and fell in love with the autumn colors. I met people and fell in love with their stories. I made friends, enjoyed their company and grew as a human. The ironic part is that videos and photos kept coming to me. I wasn't just chasing them anymore. I learned filmmaking, lighting, video editing, sound design, directing, photo editing and film camera. And I focused on growing as an artist. So you see, this is a story about Iceland. There is a message in it for those who seek excellence. I've come a long way, and all I want to do is learn, practice, improve, and grow. It's not for the gram or the tube, it's for sharing my knowledge and showcasing what I have seen and witnessed. In it lies the secret recipe of success in life. Well, I am going to Iceland again with the elf and the mini elf. I'm sure I will have my camera in my hand, but this time it will be used to capture memories and moments. It won't be epic. I know that it will, however, be joyful, precious, full of contentment, in awe of the miracles of nature and the uniqueness of the land of ice and fire, with black sand, green moss, molten lava, and fresh air. The word epic is too small to describe all of that. I will see you in the next one. Until then, Khodai Paman.